There, my name is AJ. I'm a real estate virtual assistant and teacher at the same time. And I hope you really enjoyed our real estate lingo edition. And now we will discuss another topic. This is the team players in real estate transaction. So every day we will discuss a particular people involved in a real estate transaction in United States. So you are aware who are those person that may be involved in a real estate transaction. And the word for today is homeowner or the sellers. So, number one, homeowners slash sellers, it could be the sellers or the homeowners could be go more than three or four, right? They can sell the properties as long as it is shown on the title that there are three owners on the property. That's totally fine. So when you sell the properties, we can tell to the public that there are three owners on that particular property. So homeowners or sellers are those individuals trying to sell their property in the market with the help of a real estate agent or the realtor. So, realtor, those are the real estate agents who is a member of National Association of Realtors. It is a body in the United States who manage or set code of ethics for real estate agents. So, the seller could hire a real estate agent to sell their property, or letter B, they can sell the property on their own, on their own risk, right? And this is what you call for sale by the owner. So again, seller are those people or these individuals trying to sell their property in the market. I hope you learned a lot on this video. Thank you so much and have a good rest of your day. Bye and follow for more.